Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. As usual, it's time to go to work. Let's go, guys. Oh, sawa, get in. Good, itabidi umekuwa camera, man. Hauna bahati. Your brother is a content creator. Car positioning, Fernando Alonso. Today there will be no traffic. Unaona hiyo mist? It's misty, extremely misty. Visibility is about 100 meters. But guess what? My window is open for fresh air. Fresh air. 6:46 in the morning. It looks like 6:46 in the evening. So there's no traffic today. Galeria, Tara. Nairobi National Park. Yeah, let's go, whoa. Nimekwama kwa matope. Where are you running? Where are you running? Come on, is that traffic? Oh, it's man-made traffic. It's man-made traffic by the cops. This is not real traffic. What's up? This is Uhuru Gardens. Uhuru Gardens. The shade taking off at Wilson Airport. T-Mall. So tunaenda na wewe mpaka town. We are going with you to town, and then you find your way back. This is Nyayo Stadium. That's Nyayo Stadium. Oh shit, here we go again. Why do people always stop to get free things? Kenyans like free things, like the free newspaper we passed over there. Welcome to the city. That's going to be the thumbnail. That is going to be the thumbnail. Wow. Chicken pizza in. Today is on a Tuesday, so that means it's terrific Tuesdays. Wow, wow, wow. I want you to see this. So you see these beads, the same color. So you see the lane has become one. See now he's using our lane, but he's going straight. You have to be very careful when using that roundabout. Then look at this guy. Yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah. Welcome to the city. This is Haile Selassie Avenue. Haile Selassie Avenue. This is where I used to go to school. Actually, my school is just there, Technical University of Kenya. See, this is my school. I mean, that was my school. And then this is Time Stars, Kenya Revenue Authority, the red place, and then that's the Central Bank of Kenya. Yeah, that's a mad person. This is how Nairobi looks like in the morning. People are going to work. We have students going to school, like the cameraman. Cameraman is going to school. I'm going to work. So this is where I normally park the car.
That's 300.
Yeah, 300 per day. Yep. Yes, sir. So nilikuwa nasoma hapa pale juu. Ile ndio ilikuwa klasi yetu. That one. That was my class. Just like that, the day is over. Time to go home, guys. So guys, I'm just chilling in the parking lot, waiting for my bro to arrive so that you can head home. I'm thinking of even letting him drive home. We'll see once he arrives. Yep. So this is how you exit. You have to open. Whoa. Open your window. Yeah. Boss, naweza tokea hapa? Eh. Nataka kuingia Mombasa Road. Let's go. That's the Railways Museum. Railways Museum over that side. This is Block Z. Look at the trains. Nairobi Railway Museum. Wow. Hey, boss. You're in traffic. Wow. Traffic. So what do we do? Tuingie expressway tutoke tuingie expressway. Guys, this is what rush hour traffic looks like in Nairobi.
Idriso bado cha kushika.
Yeah. We're out of traffic currently on Langata Road near Wilson Airport. Let's go. Hopefully I'll be home by 7:30. I thought the traffic was over at Wilson, but yep, more traffic. More traffic. Zero traffic going to town. Everyone is rushing home. Thank you guys for always coming back and watching these vlogs. The vlog is over.